It's very noticeable. Like, hindi siya matapang in a way na masakit sa ilong. It's just, it smells really good. Ilang beses to dumaan sa FYP ko. Talagang pinalagpas ko siya last year. What I can say about this perfume, It Girl perfume. Okay, this is literally It Girl perfumes. Ito yung perfume na sasabi kong head turner talaga, like no joke. Sobrang nakakaakit yung amoy neto. It does have that sweet scent to it. It smells very woman. It smells very attractive. It smells like a vanilla woody type of scent. Kung hindi ko nalaman na galing Grace and Glow to, I would think that this is a luxury perfume because it does smell expensive, classy, elegant. Just like what it says on the bottle. It says, for elegance only. Yun talaga yung nakalagay dito. Like, and I totally agree with it. It does smell elegant. Medyo matapang yung scent niya. Medyo matapang yung pagka-sweet niya. Pero not matapang in a way na nakakauma. It's very matapang, like attractive. Ganon. Pwede din tong pang formal events. Honestly, like first sniff ko dito, nagulat ako because I was not expecting that I would smell that good. This is a must try. Like, considering the price, you get like 100 ml and sobrang tagal maubos nito. Sobrang kumakapit yung amoy niya. It's long lasting. This is worth the hype.